What's going on, YouTube? Chipsea, I'm gonna take y'all with me for a short ride up to Dowdell's Knob in Franklin Delano Roosevelt State Park, Pine Mountain, Georgia. Got Miss Easy Money back there.
Yep, hello.
Hello.
Hello, everybody.
It's a very short little road, access road up here to the knob. This is, I mean, if y'all from Georgia, you probably done been here. Probably know the story, but a lot of people may not. This is where Franklin Roosevelt used to like to come, and when he was staying at the little White House, he would take a ride up here to this particular spot on the overlooking Pine Mountain, and they would just hang out and chill and grill, whatever, you know what you do. But it was his favorite spot, one of his favorite spots, and when we get up here, you will see why.
The view is stunning.
Yeah, it is.
It's neat that his grill is still up here too.
That's cool. And there's a site off to the side over there where an army plane crashed years ago, and I didn't know anything about it till recently. They put up a little display telling you all about that plane crash and whatnot. And you can hike down there to it, look at it.
Yep.
If you're ambitious like Miss Easy Money. But if you like me, I ain't caring about no hiking. But yeah, here we are. Here we are at Dowdell's Knob. Folks out social distancing. I'll be glad we ain't got to do that no more. Look at that. Would you look at that? You don't see a site like that very often in middle Georgia. Alright, you two. Chipsea, I'll be hollering at you.